Hey, my angel babies, how you guys doing today? I hope you guys are having a wonderful, abundant day. In today's video, I'm going to be doing this gold rush look and give you guys my first impressions on this most hydrating primer. What? Are you kidding? Let's get into her, okay? I hope you guys enjoy this video. So let's get into what the fuck we better do, okay? First things first, you know what? Do your eyebrows, okay? Please don't play with me. Don't play. Put your eyebrows on, baby. Look how good they came out. They kind of snap. I used the NYX brow pencil. I think it's micro brow pencil in black. I love this. It's the best from the drugstore. It's only $10. If you're looking for something that's very affordable for your brows, this is this girl. This is that girl. Okay, so get into her. Next, I'm using the Milk Makeup Kush Lippy, and then I'm also using their hydrating oil. You know, you have to be moisturized. I don't play when it comes to moisturization, and y'all shouldn't either. So you need to put on some moisturizer. Phone come through this phone, baby. Next, I'm put on my Fit Me concealer. So I have to do this in order to prime my eyelids. I'm going to be creating that look that you saw beforehand. So here I'm creating like a circle on my eye to make it like a half oval, if that makes sense. I don't know if it does, but yeah, that's basically what I'm doing with my lid here. What I do personally is just go above my crease so you guys can actually see more of the look, and it gives you like more depth and a lot of more space for the shadow to show up on your lid. So if you want to have like that beautiful shadow look that you have and you don't really have that much of a crease space, go above your crease. That makes it look absolutely beautiful, and we gotta stand. So I'm using the 35R palette from Morphe, and I'm going to use that gold shade, the one that's like really yellow in the palette, and I'm going to put it all over where I put the concealer at, and this is going to give you that gold rush look, okay? You're going to look like money, okay? You're going to look like money, baby. Please don't play. When you put this on, don't play, okay? So here I'm showing you guys the new primer I am trying out. It's the Juno Moonshine Hydrating Primer. To be honest, guys, I love this primer. Okay, it is hydrating like it says. It says you can do like just a little bit for the face, but I went all out. I'm sorry. Okay, it was so hydrated. It didn't sit on my face at all. It actually went into my skin, and it was a little bit tacky, so that lets me know that, you know, the foundation will stick and it's not going anywhere. Okay, I really loved how this primer looked on my skin, how it felt on my skin. It just felt like, you know, a regular moisturizer, but it's primer, if that makes sense. So if you're a dry person, you will love this primer. It's so good. I love it so much. So, and you know, I won't tell y'all anything that I don't believe in, baby. Okay, let my skin speak for itself. I mean, look how good she look. Oh my god. If you guys want some coin off your purchase, if you ever wanted to try out this primer, the link is down below. Or you can use code NAUGHTYGIRL to get 15% off your purchase. But yeah, let's get into the foundation. Baby, you know I love my fast base foundation stick from Makeup Revolution. It's only $9. I really love that foundation. Like, that's my favorite foundation ever in the world. I would never ever betray her. Okay, I can't betray her. And then next I'm going to conceal, don't congeal. Is that what they say? Off tangle, I don't know. Don't listen to me. Next, I'm using the Juno Cosmetic Sponge. This really did blend out my concealer, and the fact is that it didn't pick up any product while it was blending out my concealer. So every time I looked at my brush, I did not see any concealer, and yet I was fully blended, very full coverage. So if that's something you're into, like if you like full coverage concealer, this is the soft sponge for you. I think you will absolutely love it because it really did not pick up any freaking product, and it blended out my concealer seamlessly. I did go back in to, you know, touch up around the edges with my brush just to make sure it was blended, because I don't play with my concealer. But yeah. So next thing I used was the e.l.f. Sheer Primer. It's their high definition translucent powder. I freaking love that powder so much. It is super good. Like, guys, run to the drugstore and get that. I'm not even playing with y'all. I'm really not playing. Next, I used the 35 OM palette for my blush and contour. They have the perfect red color for dark skin girlies in that palette for blush. Like, I always use, like, period, baby, period. Okay, I love it. Like, it's so good for dark skin. If you, hopefully they still have this palette up. It's this 35OM palette. Definitely get into her. Okay, then I get my lash glue out. Why? Because it's time for the butterflies. Okay, it's time to fly away, baby. All right, so we put on the butterflies, of course, because you want to look fairy like. You're going for that fairy gold rush look, like, you know, that fairy that's in the desert and she got money because she digging up gold. That's me. That's what I'm going for. Okay, so I put the butterflies on my eyelid, on top of my brow, and in the inner corners of my eyes, and that's how I put it on with lash glue. And for my cheeks, I just stick them on regularly. I don't really go anywhere, so if I were to go anywhere, I would use lash glue to stick them onto my face, but otherwise I just stick them on. Next, I use the Exit cream gel liner from ColourPop, their Yellow Goodbye mascara. I love their mascara so much. Like, it makes my eyelashes super long. I'm definitely going to buy some more because I love it. The lashes I'm using are from Broadway, and they are the number 4 lashes. I love those too. And then, as you can see, I'm putting on them gold butterflies. Okay, it's time to fly away. It's time to chase your dreams. So you got to put on them butterflies so you can chase them dreams. Okay, baby, it's time for you to get into it. All right. So yeah, I just stick them onto my face, you know, go in like a scattered motion because that's what you got to do. And the star of the show, pun intended, that Milk Makeup tattoo stamp. I love their tattoo stamp so much. And then I'm using this lip liner and beautiful lip color from CoverGirl. It's called Hot Tamale. It's the closest dupe I could get to my favorite ColourPop gloss that I ran out. So yeah, that's her. And guys, everything I'm using in this video will be linked down below in my blog post. So if you guys want to get the links to any of these things I am wearing, it is in the description box below. So yeah, babies, I am officially done with the look. I hope you guys loved how it came out. Thank you so much for watching. It means the world to me that I can share this experience with you. Make sure to like and subscribe, baby. And I'll see you later. Bye bye, babes. Mwah.
Wake up alone, your fans are closed. Reach for something